So Monday is a holiday here. This is the entrance gate. Mrugavani, Shamirpet. This is under the control of Government of Telangana. These are the do's and don'ts when you visit this deer park. We are just entering into the park. This is the entrance. So there is a ticket counter here. So for kids it is for adults it is 15 and for kids it is 10 rupees. We are just entering into the deer park. This is the entrance. Looks so green. There are a lot of people enjoying. So there's a rain harvesting thing here. So you can see all the water gets through this. So this is the place where deers might come to have their food. So you can see here. So we just need to wait here for them to come and take food. So the person who handles this has just dropped the food. So they might come over here. You can see there's water inside. There's a lot of greenery where they'll roam around. You can see here they are saying that they spotted the deer, which is chital. So you can see this is called Chikkariduppi. So it seems they take the fruits, flowers, and then the leaves as their food, it seems. So this is one place where you can just spend some time, have your lunch or whatever eateries you bring over here. So this place is maintained well. So less crowd actually, very less crowd. So you can spend some time. You can just walk around, have a feel of the super greenery around. You can see one quotation here: love for wildlife and nature should be nurtured from the childhood. Yes, so from the kids itself we just need to make them love the nature, the greenery, the wildlife, so that they can be a responsible person towards the nature. Yeah. There's one board here. You can see the kind of butterflies. So I'll post this pic on my Instagram page as well. You can just go through. So if you want to know the kinds of butterflies and if you are interested in nature, so this is one of the posters that is there. One of the board, I should say, posted. Since the deers have come for food, so we are just going to see, find if they are there. You can see the deers. Another view of the greenery around. An old tree with a big stem. So you have to visit this area around 2 o'clock, in between 1 to 2, to see the deers. So we have seen lot of deers there, right? Lovely greenery. So there's one more quotation here. So if you love to breathe, save the trees. Wow, nice quotation, right? So this park is filled with such quotations all around. Lovely to be here. So you can see the background, people enjoying, children playing, having lot of oxygen from this beautiful greenery. Such a lovely greenery. This is one more board you see here, birds of JLTC Shamirpet. So you can see the different birds. So we'll post this image in on our Instagram page. You can have a look at it. Here is one more quotation. So you can see here, if you take care of the trees, they will take care of you. Vruksho rakshiti rakshitaha. Yes, this is a common one which we hear, right? Lovely. Yes, definitely. If you save trees, they'll help us in lot of ways. You can see a kid running in the background. Wow, enjoying the nature. Lovely. So here is one more. So if you want to donate for feed for birds, squirrels, rabbits, kindly contact at the counter. Yeah, if you want to voluntarily donate, you can just when you visit over here, you can contact the counter. So this is one simple setup you can see here, a village kind of setup under a tree where we can relax. It's not just kids, you can see elders enjoying. Lovely greenery. You can stay one day away from the city, have this, visit these lovely places.